welcome back to my channel. You are watching video property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see, the screen property location, some nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like size, bed type, details, facilities, and images, etc. Category 5. Category 6. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So, you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in description box. If you are facing any kind of problem or this property, then contact us by commenting below. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel.